Okay guys, so I already went ahead and I did my eyebrow off camera. I chose not to do my eyebrow again on camera because it's just so hard, and as you guys know, doing eyebrow to make it look like twin or sisters is really hard when you're on camera. So this is the best that I can do. So I'm just putting that concealer all the way down to my eyelid, and you guys know that I always start with my eyes first. Don't mind my hair, I just installed this wig. I don't know when I'm going to put up this video, either before this makeup tutorial or after. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to upload this video after, no, before the makeup tutorial. Don't mind me, I'm like, okay, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face and also prime and do all of that good stuff. You guys know that this is what I've started to use right now. So good. I got it from my girl, so I'm gonna support my African sisters and make sure that they are, you know, out there and doing their thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this, and I like to moisturize and prime my face before I do my eyes because I want to make sure that it marinate into my skin before I start with my foundation. So I'm gonna go into the anti-aging serum and just put right on my cheeks, because you do not need to put a lot, and just rub it in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with pink. As you guys saw from the intro, I'm gonna be doing a pink makeup look. So I grabbed the Aina palette. I need to go to Sephora and get me the Amarizi palette, so I need to go get that. All right, I really need to go get that. And I also have the Juvia's Place palette here, which have this pink. It's called O-S-U-N. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's O-S-U-N, Osun, something like that. And it's a really nice subtle pink. I really like it. And I also see this other pink, their shimmer, and this one is called Zumba. So I think I might use these on the lid, but for the transition I want to go into this Aina palette. First I want to start with ginger, and then I'm going to go into Supreme because Supreme is pink. So I'm going to go into ginger first and focus it into the crease and a little bit above. Focus camera. And this will be my transition shade. So I did do a giveaway, which one person won, okay, because she followed exactly what she's supposed to do. She don't just go ahead and just leave a comment or a heart and then follow me on Instagram and stop. She don't do that. She comment on my page, she liked my pictures on Instagram pretty much every day as I post, and she also watched the rest of my videos, and that's how she won. So congratulations to you. I will put your info on the screen somewhere right here or in the description box, but she is the winner. And I cannot wait for you, girl, for you to get your products. I will be going to Sephora, and I will definitely keep you posted on when I send it off and stuff like that. So yeah, congratulations to you. And there will be lots more giveaway, you know, hair giveaway, eyelash giveaway, because you guys know I do have a store with Shopify, and I sell extension, I sell wigs, I sell mink lashes. So I will definitely do a lot of giveaways on my channel, but you gotta make sure that you follow me on Instagram because that's where I post first, and then I post on YouTube. So the link will be down below on my Instagram page and stuff like that. So yeah, congratulations to you. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into Supreme right here and, with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna focus it right on the outer corner. Well, this is pigmented. I never used this color. I don't remember. So first I'm gonna stamp it on, and then I'm gonna blend it out because I wanna make sure that this color really show. never had like the whole entire makeup look pink, but this is the day. And I'm gonna go ahead and feather it out a little bit because I don't think I want to put a wing liner. I might not sure, but who knows. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit in. Okay, so to blend out the pink, I'm gonna go into edges, and I'm gonna take a little bit of edges just to blend out the top part of the pink, because I don't want any harsh lines, so I'm only gonna focus on the top part of where I put it, just to blend out that line. So now I'm gonna go back into ginger, and I'm gonna focus it on the top, right underneath my brow bone. Okay guys, so I finished both sides. As you can see, it's very subtle and nice. I really like it. As I said, I never did this before. So now I'm gonna go into the Juvias palette. This is the Mini Magic, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this pink shade right here. As I said, this is called Zumba, and I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush. I'm not gonna wet my brush right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and then I'm gonna put it right onto the lid. This is a really subtle pink. I really like this look already, and I'm not even done. This is really pretty. Okay, all right, let me just focus. Okay, so let me go ahead and wet my brush. I normally like to use my fingers and put it on because it's so much better, but I have on nails, so it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go back into that shade and just pat it on. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into So next I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's called OSUM, Awesome. As I said, I don't know the name. And I'm gonna take another brush and tap it on, and this is like a subtle pink. I never used this color before, so I really don't know how it's gonna go. But I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna kind of focus it, not all the way into the lid, but a little bit at the side, and kind of blend it in with the other one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the sides so that it could blend together. I'm gonna go back into the Aina palette, and I'm gonna take edges and just focus it on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go back into Supreme, which is that pink shade, and tap it on. I'm not gonna swipe it, I'm gonna tap it on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put on my mascara. I'm not gonna put, I'm gonna do a wing, but I'm not gonna do a wing liner, but I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lash line. And then I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang mascara and do my lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Island Gal, and this is from my Mink collection. Okay guys, so the eyes is completely, well, 95% done. I have to do under my eyes, but I want to do my foundation first. I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty, and this one is in Nutmeg 520G. This is a very, very full coverage foundation. You only need 2 pumps. And I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and just start blending. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Kat Von D, and I picked up the shade D35 Neutral. I really love this. I had it quite a while now, and this is the first time I'm using it since I got it from Sephora. This is a very, very, very full coverage concealer, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it wherever I normally would have concealed. And And with this concealer, like the Fenty, you really have to go fast. Like it dry down really fast. So don't let it sit on too long because you will have a hard time. Like you will have to definitely blend a lot more. So just go ahead and just start blending it out. Okay, this is looking natural and nice, but I want a little bit of highlight, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go into my ColourPop, and this is in dark 44, but it's really light. Like it's really light. So I'm gonna go in and just put it right underneath and then blend it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Fenty Love Love Love, and the winner will definitely get this too. You girl, you're gonna really love this Fenty, I promise you, because I think that we are the same skin tone. So I'm definitely gonna buy what, you know, I think that will matches your skin tone and so on. But this Fenty powder, no joke, smells so good and it's really good. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks a little bit, and I'm gonna take my NYX and do a little bit of contour, not too much. And this NYX is so pigmented. I swear this is so damn pigmented. Look at that. Oh god. Woo. Alright guys, so next I'm gonna go into my MAC. This is in NW45, and I'm gonna go ahead, set my face and brush off the excess powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face because my face feels very dry. Pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my Melanin powder. Not powder, this is a highlight. No, this is a blush palette. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm taking all the colors because it's like a blush and highlight in one. So while it's blushing your cheeks, it's also highlighting. So this is very subtle, which I don't really kind of want right now. So I'm gonna go into this Physique formula. I got this from Ulta, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it onto another brush. A little bit. Oh, I went overboard. Woo, child. Okay, all right, I'll blend that out. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take Supreme, which is the pink one, and also Edges. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Supreme first. And then for the inner highlight, I'm gonna take Soleil, something like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right into. Ooh, this is pigmented. Be careful. Wow. Okay guys, so my final step, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this liner here. This one is called Cocoa, and then I'm gonna take this MAC by Nicki Minaj. This is called Nikki Nude. First, I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips. And then I'm gonna go into the Nikki Nude. Okay guys, so I'm gonna spray my face one more time, and I'm taking my Jeffree Star with Morphe.